Sophie, what are you doing? Did you finish your work?
Cheers! Next, I will teach you how to use 3D printing technology to increase your work efficiency by 10 times. Now, we're going to make SVG format file. Now, we're going to use G3D slicer software to make slicing. Now the slicing is finished. Now we're going to take the printing file to our machine to printing. The printing is finished. Now we're going to assemble the LED strip light. Look, the Red Bull is finished. In our 3D printing center, every day we can print hundreds of this signage.